I hope you're ready for another £100 business model. Get your pens, get your papers, get your iPads, and whatever you're going to use to write this down because you don't want to miss out. Check this one. Hey everyone, welcome back to Minute Hustle. I go by the name Jaden and I've got a wicked business model. And this one is for people who love to keep fit. You know what? And if you are fit and you have some good background on, fitness tips and things like that, then this is great for you. You don't even have to know loads about fitness. People that just know how to eat healthy could do this, right? But this is the one, guys. This is the one, right? So without wasting any time, right? This is how you can start a brand new business for just £100 or less. So look, I was trying to figure out what people do the most, right? And what people fear the most. And you know what? I fear becoming fat. Now look, I'm kind of fat already. I'm a bit chubby, right? That's why I only do the top half, yeah? Because you see the bottom half, you're like, oh my God, Jay, is that you? I'm not fat, but everybody has a bit of chub that they want to lose, yeah? A bit of chub on their cheek, and everybody has their ideal weight, right? And we have fitness instructors to help us get there, right? But a lot of the time, when we want to see these fitness instructors, we have to go to the gym. Or if you know someone that is a fitness instructor, you call them up and say, hey, can I just come meet you for an hour and blah, 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 right? What if, I say what if, now there is an if. We can now take this whole idea, so the people who already are fitness instructors and people that has the background knowledge to become a fitness instructor, or people who are just into fitness, can now take this to a whole new level. I'm talking about online fitness instructors. Now I know it sounds crazy, but guys, hear me out. It's not a hard thing to do. Nowadays, there's so many live apps that you guys can use as a fitness instructor to grab in a massive audience, yeah? And it doesn't necessarily have to be a live app, but for promo. We'll talk about the promo in a second, right? You see? Do you see? But what I'm saying is, there's so many things you can do as a fitness instructor and things that you can offer people online so they don't have to leave their house. Some people are just too lazy. Look, I'm lazy. Jay, let's go to the gym. Ah, you mean gym in your mouth? You put the G. Oh, it is gum. I thought you meant gum. Oh, now you're saying gym? No, I will leave it. People are lazy, man. People don't want to go to the gym. I love the gym, actually. I really do love the gym, but I don't get as much time as I'd like to do the gym and to do the weightlifting and things like that. But I tell you what, with the water dumbbells that I've got on one of my eBay hustles, make sure you check it if you haven't, with the water dumbbells and everything else, people can do the gym from home. I'm telling you now, and it's not hard to get out of your house and walk around the block or run around the block or whatever. And the beauty of our phones now is, being a fitness instructor and being an online one, you can call your clients anywhere. You can jog with... Where's my phone? Where the hell is my phone? Swear to God, I'll show you. Where's my phone? Swear to God. Get my phone. Imagine you're my fitness instructor now, yeah? Imagine you're You alright, Jay? What's going on, bruv? Yeah, you ready for your jogging session? Oh, alright then, come, let's do it then. Come, let's do it. Right, go outside your house then. Alright, cool. Man, I'll be running like this. My man's there while I'm running like this. I'm running like this. My man's there on my phone like this, just watching me as I run, because it's, you can FaceTime and things like that. Video call. This is what I'm saying. People who are fitness instructors don't think like this, and you can make so much more money. Imagine, holy crap. Imagine as a fitness instructor, you was grabbing 4 or 5 people at the same time. You was instructing a personal trainer, grabbing in 4 or 5 people at the same time, all in one video stream. And then you're all going on a jog wherever you are. Holy crap. And then they're paying you for that as well. Why just train one person when you can train the whole bloody world? Do you see what I'm saying? And that's just one thing. You can share your meal plans. You can give them an app like the Fitness Pal to set up their calories and what they should eat. This is endless, man. You can have little dieting sessions where everybody joins your video chat, and they can see. You can talk to them. Everyone can talk about their goals and their weight. And come on, man. You tell me you can't hear this. This is a game changer for people who are into fitness. You can do workout sessions with them, man. Everybody's sitting there doing their reps. You know what I mean? It's not hard. And this is what people pay for. They pay for that. They pay for the push. This is why people get lazy going to the gym, because they haven't got that push. But this is what people pay for. If I had a guy call me up every day saying, Jay, what's going on, man? Yeah, what are you eating? Oh, no, try not to eat that, man. I would do that because I've got that push. And people are encouraging me to do that, and I'll pay for it as well. Especially if my man's coming out and he's got like a 10-pack. You know what I mean? Or your lady comes out, she's looking all nice and toned and slim, and you're like, oh, her body's so nice, man, she looks so good. That's because she eats right, she does what she needs to do, and she can help you. And you know what? You don't charge them a lot either. But you know what? I've said too much. Let's get into this one, right? So the 4 things that we need, you guys already know. Number 1 is your niche. I've already hit it on the spot with the niche. People that are into fitness, that's your niche right there. And people that are not. Some people are chubby people. I'm going to say chubby people like me. Those are your targets as well, because believe it or not, even though we sit there eating cake all day, and bourbon biscuits and custard creams, we still want to lose weight. It just takes us a little time to get there, right? So that's your niche, yeah? Target the people that are into fitness already and people that have a bit of chub on them, yeah? So let's move on to number 2, marketing. Once you plaster this over Facebook and in the groups, holy bomba! Once you plaster this into Facebook groups and all them other places, it's game over. Everyone's going to want to do it. Everyone's going to want to join up to you. Everyone. They're going to want to be a part of it. What? An online fitness trainer? What? I don't have to do anything. What? I just can't. What? I'm telling you now, right? This will be a thing. And we together are going to make this a thing, because it doesn't exist yet. And if it does, I haven't seen it. Why am I in a fitness group online with video chat with people running down the street with them? Why? Because I don't see that. See what I'm saying? So you understand your niche, you understand how to market it. Facebook is great. You can use those fitness apps as well, like Fitness Power, because I know people link up to it already and you can see people in it. Yeah, you can go on websites. There's lots of blogs, there's lots of websites that involve fitness and health, and people join to it because they want to see the reviews and the blogs and stuff. You can throw it in reviews, man. Hey, bust in a review on a blog. Hey, have you guys seen this guy? Yeah, now check him out, man. Oh, he's doing some wicked thing, man. Yeah, nah, he's doing some new thing, man. I ain't seen it before, but man, I'll be running down the street with him. I just talk too much. Hey, what is that, man? Trying to take my damn life. Why every time I come with something good, something try to take... Did you hear that? Trying to take my life. Number 3, the cost. How much is this gonna cost you as a fitness person, as a fitness instructor, personal trainer, to get this out there? You know what? Nothing! Nothing! Swear to God. It doesn't cost you nothing to start this. Facebook groups are free, unless you want to pay for the ads, right? You can throw it up on Instagram. You imagine you have an Instagram and you're constantly throwing it up and people are seeing like snapshots of like you running with other people, or you're actually doing the video, you can record. Because there's this app that you call, I think it's called DU Recorder, and you can record your screen. So when you are live with other people, you can like record that, I'm sure, right? So, or there's apps that can record, I know that, right? So you can record all the stuff that you're doing, throw it up on Instagram so people can see. Man, your Instagram will just grow followers fast. People want to be a part of it fast. Throw your meals up, show people what you're eating, show what other people are eating which are connected to you as a fitness instructor. Man, this will fly out your hands. People will want to join you, subscribe to you, whatever you want to call it, right? However you market it, right? Whether you say pay me a subscription or pay me a price. People will buy this, man. I would buy it. And you would know you would buy it as well. So that's what I'm saying. This costs you nothing. All it costs you is your time. Putting the time in, and I'm gonna write that as well. Time. Cost you the time to put the time in and actually make this happen, right? Last but not least, which I know you want to know, number 4 is the profit. How much can you potentially make? Look, I don't know how much a fitness instructor usually charges, right? They probably charge between 25 to 40 pounds per hour. I might be wrong. If someone is a fitness instructor already, Comment down below, let us know how much you're charging right now. Because I'll tell you what, whatever you're charging, cut it in half. Because if it is £25, cut it in half, £12.50. And you're thinking, what? No, man, my service is worth more than that. Yes, it is. But look, how many people are you teaching at once? You're teaching one person at a time. With this business model that I'm offering you, the limit is endless. So instead of teaching one person at £25, you could teach 4 people at £12.50 and racking 50 quid in an hour. Bomba! Do you see what I'm saying now, right? So really think about that. It's not gonna affect you by cutting your prices just to rack in more people. And £12.50 seems alright to me. And it depends how you want to do it. You can do it less. You could do 2 options. You could do like a subscription where they pay like £20 for the month, yeah? Or they pay you like a little £3 here or £4 there or a little £5 here per session. And I know it sounds crazy, but I tell you what, if you charge £5 for a session, right? That could be 1 hour, 2 hours, whatever you want to choose, right? Which includes running and jogging and all that fitness tips and food and all that stuff, whatever you do, right? Let's say you charge £5 and you're grabbing in 10 people in that one feed alone, just that one session alone. That's £50, and that's just them alone. You might get more. You might want 20 people. Imagine if 20 people in one day come around, and you're doing this daily, by the way. 20 people in a day come to you and say, you know, I'm ready to start this session today with you. Holy cow! Holy bomba! That's £100. Bomba! So this really is powerful if you think about it. I might have got the numbers wrong just there. I'm pretty sure, because £12.50 was for 4 people, right? Which is £50. So that's 4 people. Oh no, I was talking about the £5, wasn't I? I'm getting so confused. But you see what I'm talking about here. There's money to be made based on a £5. Yeah, you can choose your prices. £5, £12.50. They're both cool to me. I don't care because I'll pay both. Because I tell you what, I go down to bloody what's it called? What's that expensive gym? I can't remember his name. Valentine's. He's charging like £70. To use all the accessories and things like that. Man, I will go and swim in the lake for £70. I will swim in the lake for £70. You try to charge me £70? So I'll take my clothes off. I'm going to swim in the where's the River Thames? I swear, because people don't want to pay £70. That's disgusting, man. Keep it low, keep it cheap and cheerful, man. And you know what? Maybe if you wanted to, you could do a thing where everybody goes to a swimming, because I don't know how to work out, but you could do, I don't really use the swimming pool that much in the gym when I go to the gym. That's sort of like a luxury for like when you finish afterwards, isn't it? But the main thing is like the weights and the cardio. So yeah, forget the swimming, man. Forget the River Thames. I'm not that crazy. I would do it one time, but no more. So yeah, you imagine, right? You're making 150. Let's just forget the £100 because that was based on 20, but £50 in one day with that amount of people. You imagine it now. Over 10 days, that's £500. Bomba! £500 with just 10 people at £5, and it might be less. Like I said, you might find 4 people. Whatever price you sort it, right? You might do the 4 people and do it that way. 4 people at £50 or 8 people at £100. Whichever way you price it, right, is how it's going to be. But at the minimum, I'm doing this on the bare minimum. You don't have to do all this long traveling, meeting people here, meeting people there, standing in a gym waiting for people to come. No, man. You're taking it to the new level. Look, I'm not wasting any more time. I talk too much. Roll this over 30 days in a row. You're looking at minimum, over 30 days, £1,500. Bomba. This is disgusting. And this is a nice business model to do. I'm telling you now, that doesn't cost you really anything. Doesn't cost you anything. You're using the skills that you have and the tools that are available now, which is all the video stuff, the FaceTime, and cleverly importing all that information that you have with like the food meal preps and things like that to make people buy. You know, you can suggest them on different types of diets, because you know I'm trying to bust out that keto, but it's just killing me right now. You know, you can do all of that and people will pay for that. I've said too much. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, give me 20 likes. 20 likes, and I want to have at least one comment, because I don't usually tell people to comment, but I want a comment. Give me one comment as well. 20 likes and one comment. And hit that subscribe button, which I'm gonna bust in this corner. I'm busting it there. Hit my subscribe button. Click my notifications bell so you don't miss nothing.